Setting goals is an important step to success. But many people set goals that are too big or unclear, and they end up giving up. To make sure your goals work for you, it's important to set achievable goals. Here are some simple steps to help you set goals that actually work. Step 1. Be specific. A goal like "I want to be healthy" is too vague. Instead, make it specific. For example, say I want to walk 30 minutes every day, or I want to eat more vegetables. Specific goals give you a clear target to aim for. Step 2. Make your goal measurable. You need a way to check your progress. A measurable goal lets you know if you are getting closer or not. For example, "I want to save $500 in 3 months" is measurable because you can count the money saved. Step 3. Set realistic goals. It's good to aim high, but your goal should be possible. Setting goals that are too difficult can make you feel frustrated. Think about your current skills, time, and resources before deciding your goal. For example, don't say "I want to run a marathon next week" if you have never run before. Step 4. Set a time limit. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Set a clear time frame for your goal. For example, "I will read 1 book every month," or "I will learn 5 new words each day for 1 month." This helps keep you focused and motivated. Step 5. Break it down. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Break your goal into smaller steps. For example, if your goal is to write a book, start with writing 1 page each day. Small steps make your goal easier to reach. Step 6. Write down your goals. Writing down your goals makes them real. Keep your goals somewhere you can see every day, like a notebook or a wall chart. This reminds you what you are working for and helps you stay on track. Step 7. Review and adjust. Sometimes things change and your goal needs to change too. Review your progress regularly. If a goal is too hard or no longer fits your life, adjust it. This keeps your goals relevant and achievable. Summary. To set achievable goals that work, make sure your goals are specific, measurable, realistic, and time-bound. Break big goals into smaller steps, write them down, and review them often. Following these simple steps will help you stay focused and reach your goals faster. Remember, goal setting is a skill anyone can learn. Start today with one small goal and watch yourself grow step by step.